And good morning, boys and girls and families. We're going to do some math right now. And I'm coming to you from my yard here. And things have sort of grown up. We have some flowers coming. And there's some wildflowers there. And our trees are growing here. Actually, this tree right here, I planted this 9 years ago. And wow, so tall. Beautiful. I think that's an elm tree, but I'm not 100%. And anyway, we are going to do something, we're going to talk about something called capacity, and we've been talking about measurement, and I thought today would be fun, and this is a good one to do outside. We'll do some capacity with containers, okay? And what capacity is the amount of space that something takes up, and you're going to need to pick something to use for a measurement tool. So just like yesterday, and some of you did this, which is awesome, you made a ruler using Lego, or I think some of you use cars and that sort of stuff. So you need to pick a unit of measure. So I'm just going to show you my little setup here. So I've set up outside here, and I have some containers, and I have a big thing of water here. And also I have a graph, okay, that I'm going to fill out as we go. And to identify the containers, I ended up naming them. And so I named them after superheroes. So we have, this is Supergirl here. We have Batgirl. We have Batman. We have the Hulk. And we have Wonder Woman. And my unit of measure is going to be this little guy here, which is, you can see that, 1 cup. Okay, that's our unit of measure. So, what I thought we would do is, maybe we would rank these. Which one do you think is going to hold the least amount, and which one will hold the most? And I'm just going to take a guess. I am not very good at this, I confess. So I think maybe Wonder Woman will hold the least. So I'm going to put her down here. I'm guessing maybe Batman here might hold the most. And then I'm going to figure out the middle here. I think maybe the Hulk might be the next most. And then, actually that's probably the right order there. I'm thinking, I don't know. So I'm going to guess. So take your cup, and let's start with, we're going to start with Wonder Woman down here. And I'm just going to, now with your unit of measure, it's important, make sure if you're going to use this that everyone is full, okay? So every cup is full. Don't have 1 cup like this and 1 cup like this. I don't know if you can see it. So make sure your unit of measure is the same, just like on a ruler. All those little spaces between the numbers should be the same. So I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to start to fill up Wonder Woman here. Oops, and I'm spilling water. Try not to spill too much water too. So that's 1 cup. And 2 cups. And thinking you're getting the idea. 3 cups, and let's see if we can get 1 more. And 3, and we can't quite get a 4th one in there. There's still some water in there. So let's call it, it's almost 4, okay? So, I'm gonna take my marker here. Oh, and I forgot to take a guess first. So, whoops. So I'm gonna cheat a bit here. So take a guess on all these. So Wonder Woman was 4. I can't really guess now because I already know. But let's guess on Supergirl here. If Wonder Woman's 4, let's say, I bet you Supergirl's about 4 as well. And let's go to Batgirl here. I think Batgirl might be a bit more. I think she might be 5. And then the Hulk, I think he's getting bigger. He's going to be 6. And Batman, I bet he's gonna be about 8. All right, so take your guesses. Sorry, I forgot about that. Okay, so we know that Wonder Woman is almost 4. Now, you could cheat if you wanted and just take, you know, there's 4 in here, so we could take this and let's see if it overflows, you know, it's more. If it's not, it's less. So let's go. And ooh, wow, look at that. They are the exact same amount. So Supergirl is actually 4 as well. Now let's do the same test. Look at this. I'm gonna pour it into, see what Batgirl is. No way. Wow. Well, Mr. McElroy was trying to get similar size containers. I can't believe it. So look at, and that is Batgirl, and she is 4 as well. All right, let's go over to the Hulk here. Now the Hulk must be more. Let's find out. So we know 4, 4. Now the Hulk has a little more room. So we know there's 4, and we're gonna add, I'm gonna have a full one here. Let's make sure that's full. See if the Hulk can take another one. Wow, almost. Okay, so the Hulk is about, I had a little water left over, but it's pretty close. The Hulk is 5. Now, let's go to Batman. Here we go. I don't know if I can pick this up. I might need to scoop some out. So I'm gonna scoop a bit of water out of here, put it in, so I don't spill. So we know we had 5 there, and that's all the same measurement. So I'm gonna put it in here. Okay, but there's still room. So I'm gonna take a full container. So that I had 5, 6. Ooh, I bet you we can do another one. 7. It's gonna be close. Are we gonna get 8? Let's see. Good thing about outside is if we spill, no big deal. Oh, and 8 just overflowed, but it was pretty close. So, actually Batman ended up being the biggest at 8. Now, we need to rank these. Now, what a ranking is when you order them from biggest to smallest. Now, the problem is we have 1, 2, 3 at 4. So, we could say they're tied for, or let's start with the biggest maybe, that's easier. So let's start with the biggest, which is Batman, and he would be number 1. And then number 2, what's our next highest number, would be the Hulk. Oops, sorry, that's number 2. And our third, tied for 3rd place, is Supergirl, Batgirl, and I got some water on my marker so it doesn't work very well now, and Wonder Woman. So, good luck doing some capacity today. You don't need to pick. I picked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 containers, but you could pick more, you could pick less, whatever you like, but get outside, try doing some capacity. I know some of you have pools, you could do it in the pool, and maybe have somebody in your family help you, of course, and have fun, get outside. It's going to be a wonderful day. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.